Today I'm making seafood boil in a bag. I'm going to bake it in the oven. I'm going to create a delicious butter sauce. It's going to be good. So today I'm going to do seafood packs in the oven. Some people call them shrimp boil foil packs. I'm not using foil today. I'm actually using parchment paper, but foil definitely works. So what I'm going with is 1 pound of shrimp here. This is a large to extra large shrimp. It's already peeled and deveined. Here I have 12 ounces of sausage. This is actually a smoked beef sausage. And I'm going to be using 4 ears of corn that I'm just going to cut into smaller pieces, 1 large red onion. I have some fresh lime, 1.5 pounds of russet potatoes that I scrubbed really well. I'm gonna parboil those. And I have some jalapenos to go in some of them. I'm also going to create this Tajin lime butter sauce that's gonna go in these. It's gonna be good. I've sliced my russet potatoes into thick pieces. I really didn't measure it, but maybe a 1/2 inch thick. And all I'm going to do is just add it to water. This is just cold water. And I'm gonna parboil these for about 10 minutes. Once it comes up to a boil, I'm going to let it go for about 10 minutes and that should do the trick. Okay, so now I'm going to make this lime Tajin butter sauce. I'm going to start with 3 cloves of minced garlic, fresh garlic, 2 to 3 scallions chopped, and just some fresh cilantro. You could use parsley or you could skip it if you taste soap when you eat cilantro. Leave it out if you don't like it. Let's give that a mix. I'm going to add some hot sauce. Use the brand or type that you like. I'm gonna go in with maybe a tablespoon. And Tajin. This is a mild Tajin. They sell some that are spicy. Use what you've got. I'm gonna just shake some in there. I'm not really measuring. Maybe a teaspoon works. Give this a mix. And this is going to flavor my seafood packs. I forgot to add my lime. I have 1 small to medium lime going in, the juice. And there you have it. And also, if you don't like the flavor of Tajin, go for some maybe Old Bay seasoning. You could use your favorite Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, or just seafood boil seasoning. It'll work, but I like Tajin. Okay, so my butter sauce is ready. I've already prepped the beef sausage. The shrimp, I gave it a rinse in cold water, but it's actually semi-frozen still. I like to leave it semi-frozen because I don't want it to overcook. It may overcook, but if you keep it cold and semi-frozen, it kind of helps keep it tender when everything's cooked. Here are my parboiled potatoes, and I've chopped my corn, my red onion, I've sliced some lime that's gonna go in there, and my jalapenos. Gonna be good. So I'm gonna show you how I put these packs together. And again, you can do the foil pack method. That absolutely works. I'm going to use parchment paper bags. So here's my parchment paper bag. I already kind of ripped it. You gotta be careful when you're working with it. But all you're gonna do is just start adding your ingredients. I'm gonna add some potatoes, onion, 1 jalapeno, lime, corn, sausage, and some shrimp. Now into the bag, I'm going to add some of that butter sauce. And if you want to shake in some more Tajin, that works. And there you have it. You're gonna lay this on your baking sheet. I'm gonna make 3 more of these. In all, I'm going to do 4 big bags. Probably 4 to 6 foil packs works for this. Okay, so here are my bags. And if you're wondering how they're gonna stay closed, the key here is to tri-fold it or fold it, 2 to 3 times, and you give it a hard fold, like a hard crease, and that keeps it folded. So I'm going to be putting these in the oven. It's going in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So these are done and they smell amazing. So you'll want to be careful because you got to open it up and steam will burn you. So just be careful, but I'm going to put one on a plate and open one up to show you. Okay, so I have this on the plate. You know what? I'm just going to cut it open. And here we go. Oh my gosh. By the way, you got to be careful if using parchment paper. I like pulled it too hard and the bottom started to leak and open up. So maybe if you want to stick with your foil packs, that might be another reason, but I like using these. They work most of the time. Okay, so some of the juice leaked out on the pan. I'm gonna, oh man, this smells great. Can garnish with some more scallions or parsley or cilantro. If you want a little more Tajin, go for it. I'm gonna try shrimp. So the shrimp is tender, and I think adding it while it's still frozen really helps to keep it tender and not overcooked. You can definitely add any type of spices and seasonings that you like, but I'm probably gonna hit it with a little more lime and Tajin. It's gonna be good. This is dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.